Hi guys, welcome to Nani's Yoga, and today's video we are going to learn Jal Neti, a technique that uses water to purify and clean the nasal passage from the nostrils to the throat. It is one of the 6 purification procedures mentioned in the ancient book of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Removes dirt and bacteria trapped along with the mucus in the nostrils. It is beneficial in dealing with asthmatic conditions and making breathing easier. It helps abate sinusitis and migraine attack. So let me show you how to do this. Let's get started. You can sit comfortably or stand with your knees bent. Fill the neti pot with lukewarm water mixed with the salt in the ratio of 1 teaspoonful per half liter. Check which nostril is the least blocked and start on that side. Keep breathing normally through your mouth. Tilt the head to the left side and gently insert the spout in the right nostril so that the water flows through the nasal cavity and out of the left nostril. Now repeat the process on the other side. If you find the water leaking like this, make sure you plug the spout properly into the nostril. It is important to dry the nostrils after this practice. Block the right nostril with the right thumb and breathe in and out quickly through the left nostril to remove the water. Repeat on the other side. Do not blow too hard. If you do not have a neti pot, you can also do this practice using your hands. Make sure your hands are washed thoroughly. Make a cup out of your left palm and pour some lukewarm salty water into it. Holding your palm near your face, close the right nostril with the right index finger, dip the left nostril into the water and snuff the water up your nostril and straighten the head so that the water flows out naturally through the opposite nostril. Repeat on the other side. The water can also come out through the mouth or the same nostril. Again, blow out gently any watery discharge, one nostril at a time. It's important that you do not lie down immediately after the practice for at least half an hour. It is best to practice Kapalabhati after doing Jal Neti. If you want to practice Kapalabhati, you can find the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.